and funding models, especially through mechanisms of Anusandhan National Result Foundation.
I'll exhibit you. Mereka melihat view yang layak.
Tier 1 institution to tier
Here I met jingpynshai, a developed person from Surat.
Barat Mandapam. Masang apa yang menit, tanya apa mesti. Barat Mandapam. Sebelum kau mengayu berung apa ketika building, ketika apa pelong program apa best kok tentu hall tentu kertas ini aktif PM Modi wajan saintis dari India mah saintis ba era pendevelop di India berkawai nampak science yang emerging science technology innovation mah dari conclave dari pengelang ke bahaya dari India kita ngerti ngai speed ya program ayai saya jadi lesni mentah Peit kawasan khyndiat terkait. Bye bye, see you in the program.
During the next 40 minutes, my goal is to introduce you to some revolution which is ongoing on the background. It's revolution in material science, condensed matter, and many other areas of research, and it's due to the appearance of graphene 20 years ago. I call my talk Wonder Materials. Let me